Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Discord cache. So for you to be able to clear Discord cache, just go back to your main screen, then type this command prompt on your window computer, press window R. Once you press window R, then you're going to have a command. You have to input this command, which is percent apps data. Then you click app data, then percent again, percent. You should have something like this on your command prompt. Then you hit the OK button. Okay, good. Then on this command, on this app data command, you search for the Discord folder. If you don't have Discord folder on your app data prompt command, that means you don't have any cache for Discord on your window computer. But if you find something like that, like which is Discord apps data, just click on it and highlight all the folder all the files and folder that you have inside the Discord folder app data. Then you click on shift delete, and that's how you can permanently delete all the caches you have on your window computer. And that's it. Find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.